today, and I thought of all the things I saw that reminded me of autumn. The corn turning brown, getting ready for harvest. Don't you just love that crackling of those dried leaves? Reminds me of coffee dyed paper. Then I saw the geese on the pond again. It wasn't quite as noisy as usual, but that's okay. On a Sunday afternoon, all God's creatures need a rest. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood. Bo chose to come along on up the roads where the elementary principal lives. Just a nice, pretty day. The flowers are dying. Grass is still green. The muddy road has dried out. I appreciate you coming on this walk with me. I hope you found lots to be thankful for today. Maybe it's a newborn baby's cry. Maybe it's the laugh of Grandma. Maybe you're seeing friends for the first time in a while. Maybe you and your kids are doing fun today. Look at this little robin's nest I found. Yeah, the flower fields are drying up. The birds have eaten all the seeds from the sunflowers we planted, but the apple trees are sure coming back. We're gonna have a lot of apples. We still have a few flowers. Not very many though. I hate to cut any. But the cows are still there eating. The corn's still growing. And you still have a purpose.